So let's look at the Santa Clara's middle of May market condition. Total active listings is 2,700. And if we look at the comparables between the past 2 years, we're looking at about 50% or a little bit more than what it used to be from the previous 2 years. But more importantly, if you look further down to the new weekly listings and also, so so if we looked at the new weekly listings, they are in line right now compared to what it was during the past 2 years. So the new listings that are coming on the market right now are not excessive compared to the past 2 years, which is surprising because it was different in the beginning of the year. And then if we also go down a little bit further to the consumption, right? Meaning the pendings and the actual closings, they are also in line with previous 2 years. So what is this telling us? What this is telling us now is basically when the new inventory is coming on the market, 513 for the week, and then about 270 of them, so about roughly half of them are going into contract, and then about 254, about roughly about the same, are actually closing. So if you're a seller, you want your property that's coming on the market to be at least in the top half of desirability and location and whatever it takes to get a buyer into contract, because about half of them that are coming on the market on a weekly basis are getting absorbed. And then what's not absorbed is being added on to the total active listings category. So for sellers, what you want to do is you want to make sure that your listing gets the attention of as many buyers as possible. So whatever it takes, whether it's a marketing that's beyond what's normal, I don't know, bringing in coffee carts, bringing in something different to bring more feet through the door, because at the end of the day, more feet through the door means there's a greater chance of an offer coming through. So better staging, better marketing, whatever it takes to get more feet through the door. From a buyer's point of view, there's a lot more inventory that's whatever is not selling, that the half that's not selling is getting added on to the total active listings. So from a buyer's perspective, there's a lot more inventory, and there's more opportunities for you. So unless you want to be competing for that half that everybody else is competing for, and compete price wise for that, if that's not your goal, then you want to step back and look into the ones that are not getting absorbed and getting added to the active listings inventory. Those are the place. That's the place where you're going to see opportunities, where you're going to see values. Where you're going to have room for negotiations. That's where you want to go as a buyer. So opportunities are there for both buyers and sellers. You just need to figure out how you want to approach